Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video, you're going to learn how to make this beautiful pleated throw pillow. Let's get started. For this throw pillow, I need this velvet fabric. It has fur at the other side, and the other side is smooth. So all I need to do is just to cut a long strip. This is about 2.5 inches. Okay, this is 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. I cut a very long one and I started joining them together. Okay, so all I'm going to do right now, this is going to be the top of the throw pillow. Is 16 inches, 16 by 16, but I decided to make it 18 by 18 because of the sewing allowance. So all I'm going to do is just to take one side of this piece that I cut out. Then while I take it to the machine, I'll start sewing in on top like this. I'll be pleating it. Okay, I'll pleat. I'll just continue like that. When I'm done with one line going round, I'll start placing the next one on top again. That's to cover up where I stitched earlier on. Okay, so it's going to start coming up like this. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll just do it right now and show it to you. You can see I'm done with it. I just pleated it like so. It's normal pleating. You can decide to do any design of your choice. This is what I choose to use this fabric to do, so you could make any one of your choice. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead right now and join it to the down part of the pillow, then show it to you. You can see I am done with it. Wow, it's looking beautiful. This is nice. You can do any design of your choice. See the other side. Can you see how lovely it's looking? I don't need to put a zipper. I just add this opening. So whenever you want to wash it, you just open it from that place. This is amazing. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do that. And stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.